Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Do you know that the website you're looking at right now was built under few seconds with the help of AI? In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to make this kind of website. I mean, you can literally go walk up to a local business provider in your place and you tell them, okay, I see you don't have a website and I'm willing to offer you a free website. You only pay for hosting and they will gladly accept your offer. And you can charge them as much as $200 to $500, knowing that it costs you nothing except your data or your access to internet. And I will be showing you also where you can host this website free without paying a cent to host it. And I will also be giving you the link to the hosting company I've been using for years now, for more than 4 years. This hosting company, they are good. Their customer service is top notch and they charge less than $2 per month. I've been using them for more than 4 years now. All this I'll provide in this tutorial. Just stick to the end and like this video. So let's get started. For this video, we'll be using Google AI Studio, and you click on it. Once you click on Google AI Studio, you'll be welcomed with this interface. So you click on build, start building, and you change your model. I've already gotten a URL to a website, a team website I want to use, and I will say you should be ethical in the use of this tool. You don't go around copying people's website. Instead, you should use it as an inspiration to build yours. So having said that, let's get started. The Gemini 3 Flash is very fast, but it doesn't take time thinking. But we use the 3.1 Pro to do this website. So we click on it and we put in a simple prompt. The prompt will be made available in the link below. Go to my WhatsApp channel. All the video I've ever made, the prompts I use in creating those videos are in the WhatsApp channel in a Google Doc. The video title, the YouTube link, and the prompts. So you just copy this prompt and we head over to Google AI Studio. We give some space, then we'll paste the URL of the website we want to be built, and we click on build. So it's building the website. Let's wait for it while the website is being built. So our website is ready. Let's download it and go to the free website where we can host it for free. So let's do that. In case you don't see the download button here, after you're done with designing your website, just click on the code. When you click on the code, you will see the download button and you will start downloading your the platform we'll be using to host our generated website will be Netlify. So you click on Netlify and you log in, then you sign up with your Gmail, or you sign up with your email, whatever you prefer to, but I will be using my Gmail to sign up. So you'll be asked to enter some details, name, last name, to verify yourself. Let's just do that. So what we'll do is to unzip the file that we downloaded. Click on unzip, and so to get started, you can just drag and drop the project here, or you click on upload and go to the file you want to use. You click on upload and it will start uploading on it. So our file is done uploading. All we have to do is to preview it, and you can see that our website is live. But the code here is not okay. So we'll go back to project configuration, and we'll change the project name. So we'll put the name we got from, so we've changed it to ID Electrician. So when we'll take a look at it again now, you will see the URL I've changed to ideoelectrician.netlify.app. But if you want to put your own domain, you go to domain management. Here you can buy a domain, or you can add an existing domain. And like I told you before, the link to the web hosting where you can get like 10 websites hosted for every month for less than $2 will be in the link below in case you want to go that route. So that will be it for today. The link also to the plumbing website we just built will also be available. There's a link here. Once you click on it, it will open, you will see the link here. You will see the website we just built within few seconds. So you can go ahead and contact local businesses in your area and sell this as a service to them. Okay guys, that will be it for today. Next time we may be going through, I'm not making a promise, but I may be making another video on how to host this kind of website on WordPress. So till then, subscribe and happy creating.